I wrote a Christmas song this weekend, and it's called Christmas is a Mess. Everything is backwards. Hope you like it. Grandma got ran over by some eggnog. All I want for Christmas is your two front teeth. Rudolph's kissing Grandma, Batman laid an egg. Frosty's still a snowman with a butt and nose. You can build a snowman, pretend he's Parson Brown. That won't change a thing, 'cause Christmas is a mess. Grandma got ran over by some eggnog. Somehow after COVID something ain't right. Comet won't go back to work, and Cupid thinks he is an elf. Donner changed his name to Blitzen, which is confusing, because now there are two. Just the other day I looked up in the sky, and my oh my, Rudolph's chasing Santa's sleigh. It just got away. Christmas is a mess. Did you know the Christmas alphabet has no L? All I want for Christmas is your teeth. Rudolph's kissing Grandma, Batman laid an egg. Frosty's still a snowman with a butt and nose. You can build a snowman, pretend he's Parson Brown. That won't change a thing, 'cause